Welcome. Let us begin our talks. Thank you. We want serious progress today. We are ready for respectful dialogue. First topic, nuclear activities. We must address the global challenges with unity and resolve. Absolutely, we need strong leadership to make this happen. We need full transparency. Our program is peaceful. Must wait for the event. We ask for inspections. We accept lawful inspections. Let us discuss limits. We need clear caps.
We must address this imbalance now. I agree. The framework is key. And the regional impacts, we will review them.
Say, caps must respect sovereignty. What about timelines? We suggest phased steps. Let us move to missiles.
Long-range missiles worry us. They are defensive. Range limits can help, only with security guarantees.
Let us seek balance. We propose verification. Verification must be fair. What about regional forces? They protect our interests. Let us discuss proxy forces. They increase tension. They ensure stability. Can we reduce activity if pressure is reduced? It's really good. And now, oil and trade. Markets need stability. We need fair access. Sanctions affect trade.
They hurt civilians. Let us discuss relief.
We want compliance first. Trust builds step by step. Oil exports must be transparent. We agree with monitoring. So, can we link steps together? Yes. Nuclear steps for trade relief. I should ASIL missile restraint and proxy de-escalation. With security assurances, we are close to balance. We can accept phased relief. We can accept phased limits. One mistake. Let us draft a framework. We agree to continue. This is constructive progress. Let us move forward. Yes, let us proceed. We need full access to facilities. Access must respect sovereignty. This trading. Can inspectors visit sites monthly? Quarterly visits are acceptable. Let us seek a middle path. Bi-monthly inspections may work. With synchros. With prior notice, yes. We also need data sharing. Only through neutral channels. Now, missile ranges. So, we propose a 2,000-kilometer limit. That is restrictive. It builds trust. Trust needs security guarantees. Let us link this to sanctions. Limits in exchange for relief. Possible, because that reduced frequency is possible. Next topic, proxy forces.